Where's Peggy? Bed, where's Peggy? Yeah, she's gone. Peggy! Hello YouTube land, this is Peggy. She did not show herself for many days. I wondered why. And her perch is empty all the time at the goat house. And she has a surprise for us this morning. Hello, Peg! No! Very nicely built. Oh, very nicely built. Oh. Man akong saon, Peg. Dili lagi yung saon, picturean ra. Bali na, balik. Peg. Gusto jud kaayo. This is how other nests looks like in the farm, bird's nest. Here's also another one. And there's also another one here. We'll see if there are babies in this nest. Oh, I see 2 eggs. This is another one. Let's see if there's nothing. 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 Mommy's here now. Hello, Peggy. Good afternoon. Yeah. Hello. Come here. Come on, Peggy. Peggy girl. She's in the light. It's not really. There she is. Nobody talking to you? Oh my God! I can hear you from inside the house. Yay! Come closer. Come closer. I'll talk to you now. Yeah.